Dear students, my today's topic is Advanced Techniques and Tools, which is last unit from Software Modeling and Design. So let us see which contents are there in Advanced Techniques and Tools. First of all, GUI testing, then functional testing, then mobile testing, and automated testing tools are there. So first of all, see introduction of advanced techniques and tools. So testing begins at very early stage of software development life cycle and ends when the products finally develop or deliver to the customer. So different stakeholders are involved in testing depending upon the type of testing performed by different groups. So first of all, see GUI testing. GUI is nothing but graphical user interface. GUI testing. This type of methods used to identify and conduct GUI test includes the use of automation tools. So these are the elements of GUI testing: a process, a GUI test plan, a set of supporting tools. So GUI testing, it is nothing but testing the graphical user interface. It is very challenging because of GUI consists of many reusable components. So this actually increases the complexity of GUI and leads to more difficulty in design and execution of test cases. So these are the elements primarily used for GUI testing. So these are the approaches of GUI testing. Use of standard testing is there. Second one is use of finite state modeling graph, and third one is use of automated tools. So running the test cases, we can use mouse position capture, event capture. So this is all about GUI testing. Next one is automated testing tools and features. Automated testing tools. The term automation can be defined as the process in which tools and strategies are used to reduce human involvement or interaction in repetitive and redundant tasks. So automated software testing is becoming more and more important for many software projects. So in order to automatically verify key functionality, so various areas in which automated testing tools are used. First one is automated testing tools can be used for reviews, walkthroughs and inspections. Second one, this type of tools can be used for various activities such as regression testing, defect testing management, test management and so on. So first of all, reliable features. This type of reliability test perform precisely the same operation each time they are run, thereby eliminating human errors. Second one is repeatable. We can test how application react after repeated execution of the same operation. Comprehensive. We can build a suite of tests that covers every features in our application. Reusability. We can reuse tests on different version of application even if the user interface change. Battery quality. Better quality software because you can run more tests in less time with fewer resource. It is obviously fast. Automated testing tools run tests significantly faster than human users. Cost redundant as the number of resources are there, so for regression tests are reduced. Automated testing tools selection steps. First step is to define tools requirements based on project's testing strategies and business requirements. Tool audience, budget constraints. Second step, list possible tools candidates in the required category and collect tools data. Third step is to compare each tool with its basic features against the tool requirement defined in step 1 and the cost. Step 4 is to evaluate the tools. Then next one is to select or recommend tools with fastest ranking or best pricing. Next step is to arrange a demo of tools in test environment, and last one is finalize the product. Next one is mobile testing. It is one of the important advanced technical tools. So mobile testing or mobile application testing is the process by which application software developed for handheld mobile devices is tested for its functionality, usability and consistency. There is a change in behavior and usage pattern of mobile applications. Testing mobile applications is more complex and time consuming as compared to traditional desktop and web applications. So hence there are some major challenges in mobile applications. So this mobile application testing is the process by which a developer develop application of a mobile device is tested for its functionality, consistency and usability. These are some challenges involved in mobile testing. Wide varieties of mobile devices are there, different mobile operating systems, different mobile network operators, input methods, hardware compatibility. This type of testing includes functional testing, laboratory testing, performance and load testing, security testing, then localization testing and usability testing. Next testing tool. Let us see advanced technical tools which are most important and commonly used for testing. First one is Selenium. Selenium is an open source tool that is used for test automation. It is licensed under Apache License 2.0. Selenium is a suite of tools that helps in automation only for web applications. So primarily Selenium was created by John when he was working on web application that require frequent testing. So Selenium is functional automation testing tool for web application. It is open source software. It supports language like HTML, Java, PHP, then Python, C#. It also includes or supports the browsers like IE, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Google Chrome, Opera, like this. It supports the operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. It is very flexible when compared to Qtp and other functional tools because it supports multiple languages. It is mainly built on components like Selenium IDE, Selenium RC and Selenium Grid. Next testing tool is JUnit. It is second type of testing tool. JUnit, the standard tool for test-driven development in Java. This type of test framework is a package of classes that lets you write tests for each methods, then easily run those tests. Test runner runs tests and reposts test results. You can test your class by extending abstract class test class. To write test cases, you need to know and understand the assert classes. And to start using JUnit, create a subclass of test cases to which you add test method. Name of the class is important for this purpose. It should be in the format of test my class or my class test. This naming conversion lets test runner automatically find your test classes. So each assert methods has parameters like message, expected values, accepted, actual value. Next one is MonkeyDoc. So this is also important testing tool which are used for advanced technique in software development lifecycle for testing purpose. So previously named PhoneMonkey, this type of tool used automated testing of iOS, Android, HTML5 like this. It is an integrated environment for recording, customizing, running and managing test suites. Free and open source testing tool it is powerful and reverse record and playback functions for mobile applications. It is powerful IDE, fully cross platform, and no jailbreaking needed for this purpose. So these are all 3 testing tools which are important for testing. Thank you.